Oh, hey, you're back. I really appreciate that. Thank you for following my farming journey. On today's video, we're gonna do some evening barn chores, from feeding cows till milking, all this good stuff. And we start with picking eggs from the chickens. Yeah. Oh, hello. We have different kinds of chickens, because as you see in my cow barn, we have different types of cows, so the life's more interesting. And now let's go into the cow barn. Hello, cow. Start by scraping the shit. And we continue to feeding the, what's it called? Feeding alleys, feeding places for the cows? Something like that. This is good fit. Let's give the cows later tonight. Rest of it goes in the manure traps as dry matter. Dry matter? Yeah. We did bring the heifer from the heifer barn here. So more space in heifer barn. Now we're gonna give the feed, milk, call it as you want it. Let's start feeding cows.
How can I get back? How can I be strong? All I do comes out old. I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave. I wanna stand tall, but I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my ground?
we have here grain mix, grinded grain mix. Oats, mostly oats and barley. A bit of buckwheat and some peas and minerals.
Little by little, day by day, I'm trying to juggle. Losing track, no turning back. I'm running through fire. Step by step, day by day, burning the wire. Pushed around, nowhere bound, no solid ground.
Some cows get more of this stuff than others. It all depends on how much milk they give and if they are dry cows or not.
How can I be strong when all I do comes out wrong? I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave, I wanna stand tall, but I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my ground but not back down each time? As the days go by, keep running by, the struggle never ends.
This is actually my first cow ever. Gift from my home. After her, all the others just happened.
Let's fight, I'm never right. I can never win, never
This stall is free now because we moved the black cow from here to there because it's more room on that place. She was about to give birth. And the heifers. Heifers eating their feed too. As you see, we did a bit of our reorganization. We cleaned all the heifer barn out this week. Moved around a bit. So yeah. They have clean, bedded, and some of them have bigger pens. The bull cow, Wagyu bull cow, went to my neighbor's farm because I'm running out of space. He's gonna raise it for me and him. We're gonna split the meat. I like this color. More of this kind. Isn't that noisy heifer? Finito, you say finito. Do not break it. Expensive stuff. And now we're giving cows the silage. First thing I'm gonna buy when I have a new barn is a feed mixer. Definitely would be a game changer.
How can I get it right? How can I be strong when all I do comes out wrong? I wanna be a saint, but I ain't. I'm far from. I wanna be brave, I wanna stand tall, but I feel like I'm losing this war. How can I stand my ground but not back down each time?
This is really hard work. But it is what it is. And we work with what we got.
Running through fire.
This stuff is too dry. Need to work more on silage making. A bit. I overgrown the clover a bit and let it dry for too long. But you only learn from your mistakes.
Heading back to used to be home, passing by those little towns I know so well, stopping for gas and then I'm behind the wheel again. Driving is like a spiritual cleanse, where every mile is a new beginning and every bend holds a new end. Eyes on the road, don't lose control. I'm speeding fast to chase my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. Neon lights in the fast lane life, riding high, reaching for the sky.
And these are the doors. The cows go out in pasture and to summer. We're probably gonna let them out at the ending of April, hopefully. One year we did let them out in the middle of April. It was nice weather, but then after it got really a lot of rain. But the cows stayed out. They got used to it. Didn't want to bring them back in, because once you get them out, do not try to get them back in.
Fell back down again. Spent my time playing the game where every single day was a losing battle and every drink was a dead end. Eyes on the goal, don't lose control. I'm living fast, I've lost my soul. I'm driving to get away, running through emotions high and low, holding on or letting go. I'm fighting another day. How did I get caught? The walls are caving in. How come I got lost in this endless spin? Why do I feel so empty deep within? Where did I go wrong?
The cows are fed with silage. Now we're gonna start milking. The milking unit's all set. Let's get this thing started. Put some foam on. Clean all the muck off the tins. Let's start milking now.
Story about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kind of
I'm looking for milking units right now. I do want to add a fifth one. But never really get around to do it.
I used to live back home. 'Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5. Happy with the simple life. Yeah, I ain't here to try to change your mind. I'm trying to save your time, in case you're thinking about breaking out the bucket list. Girl, you can skip this funny business. 'Cause up there it's complicated, and getting overrated. Down here, everything is understated. That's alright by me. I got everything that I need, but there is.
But then remember that I can dance so bad now. This one needs to go to dry house soon. Our 2 Latvian blue cows. The blue cows don't give as much milk as Holsteins, but their milk is more tastier and more full with good stuff. Like fat protein. I think it's called that. Right now we are milking 22 cows out of 27. 5 are dry cows. And in this barn we have 3 heifers right now. And 1 empty spot. That's for the 1 heifer in the heifer barn. After milking desinfection, I think this is with iodine or something. I think that's called like that. Luckily, I bought an easy fin totem, brush totem. I bought. So when they go out, they have a place to clean themselves. I'm gonna make a video about it too. They definitely don't love it. And remember, we make videos every Tuesday. At least we try to. Some little kid pour a milk. I like that process. And with that, we're done with milking. Now, what's left to do is clean the barn and give it a hay for cows for the night. We have a hole here. Transporter, manure transporter goes, and the manure travels out to the manure pit. But all this we have to do by hand. uneaten hay inside there, so it's a bit easier to clean and a bit cleaner. And adds a bit more structure when you're building that. Maybe if we did add hay, there would be a pool instead of a sea. Sometimes they even prefer hay more than silage. I guess it's really good hay. They're really nice. And that's it for today's video. Cow barn, feeding cows, milking cows, basically evening chores. Yes, that's it for today's video. I hope you really enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. It really means a lot because I really need at least 1,000 subscribers for start. Now I'm only at 344, so yeah, please subscribe. And hopefully for next week's video we'll have something different. If plans don't change, we'll have, what's it called, collaboration with another YouTuber about totally different stuff, non-farming. Or maybe we find something related to farming. Yes, if you want to know more about this farm's history, at least as much as I know about it, then comment below and see you next time. Bye.